Want to dive into the dynamic world of business? Ever wondered what makes the wheels of major corporations turn smoothly? Key account managers are the heartbeat of these operations. They nurture relationships that fuel growth and ensure long term success. This isn't just another job description, it's a pivotal role that requires a unique blend of skills and dedication. This is your inside look at what it takes to excel in this challenging yet rewarding field. Think of a company's biggest clients. These are the lifelines of the business. Key account managers are their trusted advisors, confidants, and problem solvers. They build bridges, solve problems, and drive revenue, ensuring that both the company and the client thrive. Intrigued? Let's explore the key aspects of this impactful role and understand why it's so crucial. We'll break down the essential skills you need to succeed, from communication to strategic thinking. We'll uncover the challenges and rewards that await those who take on this vital role. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a key account manager and see how they make a difference every day. What does a key account manager actually do? They wear many hats. They are relationship builders, negotiators, and problem solvers. They are the bridge between the company and its most important clients, ensuring that both parties are satisfied and that the relationship is mutually beneficial. Their mission? Ensure client satisfaction and drive business growth. This involves understanding the client's needs and aligning them with the company's goals. A typical day might involve analyzing sales data to identify trends and opportunities for growth. They need to be able to interpret complex data and make strategic decisions based on their analysis. Or perhaps presenting a new product to a key client, highlighting its benefits and how it can solve their specific problems. They might be resolving a complex issue, acting as a mediator to find a solution that works for everyone involved. No 2 days are the same. The dynamic nature of the role means they must be adaptable and ready to tackle new challenges as they arise. Strong communication skills are crucial. They need to be able to convey information clearly and persuasively, whether they are speaking with clients or colleagues. You need to build rapport and convey information clearly. Building strong relationships with clients is essential for long term success. Analytical skills are key for understanding data and identifying opportunities. They must be able to spot trends and use this information to benefit their clients and the company. Organization and time management, essential for juggling multiple clients and demands. They need to prioritize tasks effectively to ensure that all clients receive the attention they need. Key account managers are team players. They work closely with sales, marketing, and customer support. Collaboration is key to delivering exceptional client experiences. Imagine a world of spreadsheets, CRM systems, and sales dashboards. These are the tools of the trade for a KAM. They provide valuable insights into client behavior and performance, but it's not always smooth sailing. Internal competition for resources and recognition can arise. Navigating office politics and building strong relationships is essential for success. Section 4: Climbing the Ladder, Challenges and Triumphs of a KAM. The life of a key account manager is full of challenges, demanding clients intense pressure to deliver results, and constant market fluctuations are the norm. But the rewards are equally significant. High earning potential, career growth opportunities, and the satisfaction of building lasting relationships make it all worthwhile. Imagine the thrill of closing a major deal, or the satisfaction of seeing a client's business grow because of your efforts. These are the moments that make this role so fulfilling. Science says, Section 5: Ready to unlock your potential? The calm journey awaits. Embark on a path where your skills and passion can truly shine. Are you someone who thrives on building relationships? Do you enjoy connecting with people and understanding their needs? Do you have a knack for solving problems? Are you driven by the challenge of finding innovative solutions? If so, a career as a key account manager might be your calling. This role offers a unique blend of strategic thinking and interpersonal skills. This essay has provided a glimpse into the world of CAM. We've delved into the core aspects that define this dynamic profession. We've explored the responsibilities, skills, and challenges, from managing key client relationships to driving business growth, the role is multifaceted. We've also highlighted the rewards and opportunities that await. The satisfaction of closing a deal and the joy of seeing your strategies come to life are unparalleled. What are your thoughts on this dynamic role? Can you envision yourself navigating the complexities and reaping the rewards? Do you see yourself excelling as a key account manager? The future is bright for those who are ready to take on the challenge. Share your insights and questions below. Let's start a conversation about your potential in this exciting career path.